Okay, Mum, I love you too. No, I've got to run. Remember, I'm the face of BISSELL. Hi, I'm Mess of a Human Christian Hull, and I'm here today to talk you through the BISSELL SpotClean Turbo and how it's revolutionised my life. Thanks, Christian. Disaster is correct. I've torn my ACL in 3 different places. Who does that? I also spill things countless times on this very rug and this very floor. And I want to show you how the BISSELL SpotClean Turbo really help with those stains and make it look like your life is squeaky clean and shiny. Fix my knee. It's not going to do that. It hurt to get down into this position. It was really painful. The first thing I'm going to do is set this timer. All right, let's stain this beautiful rug. Oh, this is fun. Oops, sorry, Mum, I dropped the sauce. All right, let's stain with some mustard, some fish sauce, some honey soy garlic, and some mayonnaise. Just to really make these stains deep, I'm going to use my shoe and just stomp it into the carpet. Oh, it stinks. Okay, it's been just over an hour. So what we're going to do is we're first going to treat the stains with BISSELL's stain pre-treater. All right, so now we want to leave that stain pre-treater on for about 5 minutes. And so while we wait, I thought I'd tell you a story about what I did in the last hour. I went out and I bought some red wine. And then I came back and I came to check on the timer and my knee popped out. I also then went and booked a doctor's appointment so I can get a referral to see a surgeon. If you don't believe me, this is my MRI. There's an arrow pointing to something that doesn't look good. I have an ACL tear. It's an ACL, an MCL, a meniscus tear, and bone bruising. Okay, enough about me. Let's do this. Pretty bloody good job. So there is a slight tinge of red and yellow, but we're going to do another secondary clean. But the rest of the stains, I'm so surprised about the soy and honey. Now, the smell test. Ooh. So the fish sauce was to represent pet urine, because we all know how annoying it is when pets piss everywhere. And there's no smell. It smells like the delicious stain removing soap. So I've swapped over to this 3-in-1 tool and we're going to go over and get rid of this slight discoloration. Holy shit, look at that! There you go. It smells so fresh, so clean, and now we are free to do whatever we want on this rug. We can make as many stains as we want to make because we've got old mate here. Thanks, Barry. I hope you understand that reference.